Hi there, I'm Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Today we're taking a detailed look at our wide range of log splitters available here at topmaq.co.nz. The simplest hydraulic device that you can find in common use today is the log splitter. It contains all the basic components of a hydraulic machine. A petrol engine or electric motor provides power to the system and attaches to a hydraulic oil pump. The pump creates a stream of high-pressure oil which runs to a valve, letting the operator actuate the hydraulic cylinder to split a log. There is also a tank to hold the hydraulic oil that feeds the pump, and usually a filter to keep the oil clean. At TopmaQ, we offer a wide variety of splitters to suit your needs. If you're just splitting a small amount of wood for home use, I'd recommend one of our manually operated splitters. Unlike its hydraulic cousins, the Logsplitter slide hammer lets gravity do the work. It's a quick, easy, reliable way to split logs without putting strain on your back and shoulders like an axe would. It requires no maintenance and it's easily storable in the woodshed. Take a step up and we have the first of our hydraulic splitters. It still requires manpower, but with its dual-acting control levers, you can make quick work of logs with its 12 tons of splitting force without relying on petrol or electricity. Now it's time to take a look at our electric splitters. Reducing time and effort caused by manual operation, these units are so straightforward, they're absolutely fantastic for cutting wood for your fireplace at home. Being electric means they are quiet and more affordable in comparison to their big petrol brothers. This, however, does mean generally less splitting force, and despite a faster operation, they are physically smaller, resulting in a smaller log capacity and therefore more cycles. Varying from 12 to 37 tons of splitting force, our petrol-powered log splitters are designed for more commercial operation, allowing the user to quickly and efficiently convert felled trees, trunks, and logs into firewood. We currently stock 4 models, but are always looking to expand our options. All are towable and feature wide log cradles. Despite a slower cycle time than the electrics, the massive gain in splitting force easily makes up for the compromise. In fact, because they are able to split larger, tougher logs, they will easily outperform the smaller electrics. The 20-ton uniquely operates in both directions, allowing you to make splits on the ram's return. This means twice as many splits per cycle. The 2 larger models are similar in cycle time, identical in their max 660mm log capacity, but the extra 80cc in the larger 277cc model allows for a significant 7-ton increase in splitting force over its 30-ton counterpart. They both operate horizontal and vertically, allowing you to roll on heavier logs as opposed to lifting them onto the horizontal surface. If you're new to log splitters, it's important to understand the hazards involved and take the necessary steps to ensure safe operation. First things first, for any tree removal or gardening DIY project, you should always wear safety gear. When using your log splitter, we recommend a full-length shirt and pants, iron air protection and gloves. Prepare your working area. Make sure you operate on a firm level surface as close as possible to your wood source, so less lifting is required. With the splitter in position, ensure your wood is in the right shape. It must fit under the blade on the splitting bed of the machine, and ideally have flat ends. Prior to splitting, make sure that your cuts are as vertical as possible. With the log in place, push down on the handle and wait until the wood splits completely. The blade will go all the way through and stop once it hits the bed of the machine. The log splitter works by using hydraulic force to drive a wedge into the wood and split it apart. You can continue splitting in the same way until you're left with logs of a good size for your fire. Note, if you retract the blade before it completes its split, you should never put your hands in the middle of the log as it could close up naturally, resulting in injury. With careful maintenance and cleaning, your splitter can operate like new for years to come. Make sure that you clean it well and keep it oiled and free of debris in between uses. So that's it from me, thanks for watching. Make sure you get on down and check out our full range of log splitters and more in-store or online at topmaq.co.nz. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. And for more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.